My friends, yesterday there was a massive rally in Bihar led by the All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee of thousands and thousands of farmers who had come from every part of Bihar. They marched to the Raj Bhavan, gave a memorandum demanding these three laws be immediately repealed, demanding that a MSP law guaranteeing 1.5 times the cost of production should be immediately passed by the central government, and demanding a withdrawal of the electricity amendment bill. While this rally was on, hundreds of our young Kisans broke the first barricade, and then they proceeded ahead to try and break the second barricade also. At that point, the Bihar police led a very big lathi charge on our Kisans over there. On behalf of the All India Kisan Sabha, we condemn this lathi charge by the Bihar police on our young Kisans in Bihar. But this rally has shown that the government, which has been already all the time saying that this is an agitation only of 1 or 2 states, yesterday's huge rally in Bihar has given the lie to this propaganda of the government. The farmers of Bihar have also come up in a very large way to support these demands for which the nationwide struggle is being fought. Yesterday again, there was a huge rally of thousands of farmers in Tamil Nadu at Thanjavur, which was also led by the AIKSCC. Today there is a big rally in Hyderabad. There is another rally in Manipur in northeast India. So the point is that everywhere farmers are gearing up for this struggle. Today is the 35th day of the farmers' struggle in and around Delhi. All the 5 borders, in spite of the biting cold in Delhi, there has been an influx of thousands of new Kisans from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan into all the 5 borders. From Maharashtra, more than 1,000 Kisans had already reached over here from Nasik on the 25th of December. So therefore, this struggle is being continuously going ahead. Today are the talks of the central government with the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha. We will see by evening what happens. But already the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, the AIKSCC and the All India Kisan Sabha have decided, if the government does not give in to the demands of the farmers, from the 1st of January, the new year, this farmers' struggle in and around Delhi and all over the country will be intensified and broadened much further from the new year onwards. This is the decision taken. All the trade unions, all the organizations of women, youth, students, agricultural laborers, they have all decided to intensify this struggle against the neoliberal policies, against the corporate lobby, both Indian and foreign, and against the BJP RSS government that is supporting this lobby to the hilt and making fresh attacks on the farmers and the workers of India.